Query on equity ownership. This query trigger enables the user to find companies based on the pattern of ownership of their equity capital. This query trigger allows the user to search on 6 types of indicators available in the pattern of ownership format. These are shares held in number and percentage, pledged shares held in number and percentage, number of holders, and number of dematerialized shares. As you can see in the user interface, this query trigger presents this disclosure in the form of matrix with checkboxes. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger using an example. Suppose we want to find companies where promoters' equity ownership is more than 50%. Follow 6 simple steps to obtain this data using this query trigger. The first step is to select the indicator shares held against promoters under in percent. The second step is to enter the range 50 in the range from box in the row of the selected indicator. The third step is to enter the appropriate date in the query on dates and output dates box on which the search should be conducted. Equity holding pattern data is available on a quarterly basis. You may specify a date in the year-month format such as 2010-03 for the quarter ended March 2010, or in a relative format such as L, which stands for latest. L is the default setting, however, this can be changed. Let us retain the default setting. The fourth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, all companies and companies in current OSC. Selection of the domain all company means search is conducted over all the companies available in the Provis IQ database. Selection of the domain companies in current OSC means search is conducted on the companies available in the output sheet. Let us select the domain all companies. The fifth step is to select the appropriate output destination from the select output destination box. There are 4 formats possible. The first is the OSC format, which lists the names of the companies along with its equity ownership data. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays the company names along with its equity ownership data. There are 2 worksheets in this query trigger. One is indicators in rows, whereas companies and times in column, and the other is time in rows, whereas companies and indicators in column. The fourth output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data as worksheet but in a text file. The location and the name of the text file can be changed by you. The default file name is mentioned under file name. Let us select OSC as our output destination. The sixth step is to click on the appropriate execute option to run your query. Since we have selected all companies as our domain, we can select any one of the 3 execute options. These are add to current OSC, send to new OSC, replace current OSC. Add to current OSC will add list of companies which have satisfied the criteria specified in the query trigger along with its data. Send to new OSC will create a new output sheet of companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with its data. Replace current OSC will replace the contents in the current output sheet with companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger. Let us click on Send to New OSC option. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button and download the output from the output downloader by clicking on Continue. Provis IQ will display those companies where promoters' equity ownership is more than 50%.